this is a great path. It'll get me to where I need to be. So for like the last couple of years, I've kind of just been trying to find a direction. And then I got a help desk job and started working with computers. So I was like, this is really cool, So I was trying to find out where I should go because there's so many different options that you can dip into. Like you could be programmer, you can be security professional. There's almost too many. So I was like, why not try security? So I was actually looking through like UNLV's different degree programs, and I kind of found like the continuing education one. And I was like, you know what? It's quick. If I work hard, I can get the certifications, and then I'd be all set from there. So before I took this class, I just thought of it as magic and really didn't look into it. So now that I know what actually happens when I'm on my computer, it's kind of cool. So I love it. I've had to sacrifice quite a bit of sleep, but it's worth it. So